what's up? It's Slick Nick here. I'm here at LAX, Los Angeles International Airport, and we're striking for rideshare today. We're demanding justice so we can make a living out here. Check it out. Dave the Overslave. Right outside the Los Angeles International Airport, aka LAX. At the site, get a free chicken burrito for my dinner for all the rideshare drivers, especially if they're participating in the strike. This is in the Westchester area. Takeoff and landing at the same time.
Yeah, Uber's saying that we now control how much we charge.
Supporter right there.
Right here in front.
Billions or even millions of dollars. We're just regular people trying to make ends meet. And I know that I could have used the salary that they stole from me, because that's exactly what it is. It's stealing, and I could have used it, and it shouldn't be in their pockets. I know that if I could use it, then everybody up in this circle could have used it as well. And that's why we're here to fight.
Well said.
Great. Good morning, guys. I'm part of Rideshare Drivers United. And just I want to confirm we are here for fighting for the future as family. This money they are basically stolen for us pocket. It's the future of every single child want a university here. It's the future of every single boy and girls that need to be on a school and better future. And they are taking the opportunity to put the families in the better future. They are taking out the opportunity to build a new generation. That's why we are here, fighting for the future, because everybody needs to fight for AB5. Who say I for AB5? I. Who say I for AB5? I. Who say I for AB5? I.
Thank you. Okay, we have another speaker this morning.
And I just want to tell you a story about me driving. I was driving in 2016, 7 hours a day, 8 hours a week, 7 hours a day. And I was earning about $200, $300 a day. Then I got injured while I was driving every day. I kind of felt that I couldn't get out, I couldn't straighten out. So one day I started crawling to the door because I couldn't walk. And that was because I got injured for sitting so long, and I had to crawl from bedroom to the bathroom or to the kitchen. If I would have had workers' comp, I could have gone and I could have seen a doctor. I couldn't see a doctor. I had to spend the money that I earned to pay for my mortgage. After that, I had to go to hospitals or clinics, more likely, just to be able to get a cortisone shot so I can at least get rid of the pain. When I got back to work after 2 months, the wages were taken away from me. The rides were not the same as before. The prices weren't there. Everything was gone, and I couldn't earn the money that I was earning in the beginning. So what we're fighting for is to be able to get AB5 still here. We need it because it puts us our foot in the door to fight for our rights. We need our rights. We can't do it without AB5, and we need the drivers to join us today. We need you to fight all together. United we stand.
Jamás será
We have to stop letting them annex the truth. They're lying to us all the time. They're telling you that they're going to. They're saying that we're going to lose our
independence.
Our flexibility. Nothing in AB5 says that we're going to lose our flexibility.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
You guys need to understand you're not going to lose your flexibility.
You just have to pay us a minimum wage.
They just need to pay us what they owe us, and then we can move on.
Our expenses.
Yeah.
And you guys, they
Allá
need to
está donde
follow
van,
the law.
Rene.
Thank you very much.
We're a month into this, and there's been no enforcement on the part of our city,
That's right.
our county, our state.
Right.
So, like it always is, us drivers will do it ourselves.
Yeah.
That's why we're going to the Labor Commission with our own wage claims. And, you know, because today more than 100 of us are filing wage claims here in LA, but this is also happening across the state, in San Diego, in San Francisco. And we're telling everybody who believes that they've been misclassified, everybody who believes that their employer has been stealing wages from them that they're owed, that today is the day that you can file your own claims. On our website, which is drivers-united.org, you will see we're gonna have on there some simple ways to file your own claims. We can also help you in our office with that. But we're working on how to get as many people as possible to file claims. The more claims that we file with particular employers, the higher priority it becomes for the state to investigate those employers. So this is a very important strategy. And we're not going to settle. We are not going to settle. We want this to go all the way to the governor's office that these companies are operating illegally. They want us to settle Uber and Lyft. They first wanted us to settle with doing nothing, which is what they're doing now. And if that doesn't work, they're trying to put a ballot on the, they're probably trying to put an initiative on the ballot in November that would have Uber and Lyft rewriting labor law so that we can't even organize our own union. That's just wrong. We're not going to do that. We're not settling. As I was talking to somebody the other day, sometimes you just have to fight.
Yes.
You know it's right.
You have to stand up for your rights.
Yes.
And we have rights.
And as drivers, that's what we're going to have to do. And we invite everybody to join Rideshare Drivers United if you haven't already. And get your friends, people you know, because as we become larger, that's our power. Strength in numbers, baby, as Mr. James said.
Yeah.
Okay, So we're gonna have a delegation. We're gonna go over to the Labor Commission in a moment here. They have a security at the front of the office, so I think what we're gonna do is send up a delegation of about 12 people with our more than 100 claims, and the rest of us can be outside. We have some lovely chants that people can chant while we're outside the building. We want to make sure that we're following the law, unlike Lyft and Uber. So we cannot block ingress or egress to the building. That means we don't want to block the doorway. So we'll kind of keep moving like in a picket line. And if I know drivers, we know how to do picket lines.
There you go.
We know how to strike.
We know how to drive.
And anytime we get together, technically, it's kind of like a strike.
Let's go.
All right. So the people who are part of the delegation, please join the front of the line, and then the rest of us will follow with our beautiful signs. And I need somebody with a really strong voice who doesn't have a cold to lead some of the chants. And we'll do that now. So if we can kind of assemble with the delegation, kind of by the Bunker Hill sign, and then us following behind the delegation, and then we'll make our way to the Labor Commission office, which is that way.
Angelinos need our rights, Cali! Fight for 85! Angelinos need our rights, Cali! Fight for 85!
Enforcement.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Enforcement. Now.
What do we want?
Enforcement.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Enforcement.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Enforcement.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Enforcement.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Enforcement.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Enforcement.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Enforcement.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Enforcement.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
Enforcement.
When do we want it?
Now.
We are right here in front of the Labor Commission building in Los Angeles. In this moment, we're going to start to put our claim. We're going to take 12 people represent to go inside to the building and start to file the claim. The rest of us, we can keep going right here in the streets.
Alright, everybody, in my hands I hold 116 claims, equating up to several $1 million of lost wages, overtime, and expenses that these companies drain from each and every one of us. Today we are demanding that the state of California use its power to fight for its own people. Yeah! Yeah! RDU!
Follow the leader.
Angelinos need our rights. Cali, fight for AB5. Angelinos need our rights. Cali, fight for AB5. Angelinos need our rights. Cali, fight for AB5. Angelinos need our rights.
Cali, fight for AB5.
Angelinos need our rights. Cali, fight for
AB5.
Angelinos need our rights.
Cali, fight for AB5.
Lyft and Uber, you can't hide. We can see your greedy sign. They're super rich. Thank you. We need fair share from Uber, Lyft. CEOs are super rich. We need fair shares of Uber, Lyft. CEOs are super rich. CEOs are super rich.
Erling.
bucket luggage and shit. Yeah,